Now children, we will see cyclonic rainfall. Cyclone is the specific air formation when the pressure, please take out page number 46. Left side, cyclonic rainfall. It is the third type of rainfall. Previous we studied about orographic and convectional rainfall. Now we will see about cyclonic rainfall. Cyclone is the specific air formation when the pressure of an area is less than the surrounding regions. This is called cyclone. Children, we witness cyclone very frequently in our country in the Arabian Sea, as well as maximum cyclone which occurs in the Bay of Bengal. We know that every year we witness this type of disaster. Air from the surrounding region comes towards the center of the cyclone and start moving upward. As it rises, the temperature of air reduces, condensation occurs and rainfall takes place. It rains in the area which is the cyclone passes. It rains in area over which the cyclone passes. Cyclonic rainfall occurs more in temperate zones, and cyclone area is also quite extensive. Comparatively, cyclonic rainfall occurring in tropical region is limited in extent and it is stormy in nature. Orographic rainfall occurs in most of the parts of the world. Convectional rainfall is regional in nature. It is certainly in convectional rainfall occurring in the equatorial area. Comparatively, the orographic and cyclonic rainfall are less certain. Therefore, such areas are prone to very heavy rainfall, floods or droughts frequently. Children, cyclonic rainfall or cyclone, how it happens? When the pressure of an area, air pressure of an area is less. Understood? If you observe figure 5.6, you can see the less or the low pressure is creating inside the middle of this diagram. Understood? If you see the diagram, this type of thing we can witness during cyclonic rainfall. So the less pressure is in the middle, and in the outer area it is the higher pressure, high pressure. Understood? So cyclone is specific air formation when the pressure at an area is less than the surrounding region. Understood? Less pressure in the middle and the higher pressure in the surrounding area. So this is called cyclonic. Air from the surrounding region comes towards the center. So towards the center it starts moving upward. Understood? And it starts moving upward. And wherever where this cyclonic rainfall happens, the rainfall happens in the entire area. Understood? It rains in the area over which the cyclone passes. So this type of cyclone, wherever it passes through that area witness very heavy rainfall. Understood? As it rises, the temperature of air reduces, condensation occurs and rainfall takes place. Understood? So this is the condition of cyclonic rainfall. It happens during we witness this type of cyclonic rainfall during rainy season, summer season. Understood? When the temperature is very high above the surface of land, above the surface of earth, especially in the temperate and equatorial region, we can find this type of thing. And moreover, orographic rainfall occurs in the most part of the world. Understood? Maximum part of the world, they receives rainfall from the orographic rainfall. But we know that convectional rainfall, limited area like Amazon basin or Congo basin of Africa, and it receive cyclonic rainfall is also, it happens in particular area near the ocean or the region where the temperature is very high. So this type of cyclonic rainfall is also there. So it is about your cyclonic rainfall. So another thing, figure 5.7, it is given. So this map is given, and on the basis of this map some questions are given. Understood? Right side you can see, study the rainfall map of the world given in figure 5.7 and answer the following questions. So this type of question will be there for your coming examination. Whenever next exam will be there, I will give this type of map. Observe the map and answer the question. So the question is, first question, which region experiences more rainfall? So this answer you are supposed to do or observe by observing index. Understood? So left side the index is given. You are supposed to observe the index, the shade of the rainfall. more than 1000, 500 to 1000, less than 500. So you can observe that which region experience more rainfall. So wherever you can see the deeper shade of the color, you can write down that these places of the world, they witness more rainfall. Equatorial region experiences more rainfall. Understood? So we can see equator, which is passing through these places. You can see Indian Ocean, South America, and the central part of Africa, and the places below our country, that is near Singapore, Malaysia, those small tiny islands. So these are places through which equator is passes, they receive maximum rainfall. Understood? Second question, what is the reason for the low rainfall at the central peninsular India? Because it is far away from equatorial region. So the reason we are supposed to write down about that why we witness less rainfall in the central peninsular India. So this is, besides these, there is different variation in rainfall. Understood? So variation in rainfall is there because it doesn't, the temperature is not same everywhere. Understood? The temperature is not same everywhere. It is different in different parts of the world or different parts of the country. So we know that in our country, the western region, they receive maximum rainfall, but in the other part of our country, they receive very less rainfall. So this is the reason that this rainfall, low rainfall is in the central peninsular India, because it comes under rain shadow area. I told you about orographic rainfall, that orographic rainfall, in orographic rainfall, rain shadow area is there because of the moisture laden winds which obstruct by Western Ghat, they receive maximum rainfall. But as these clouds, they goes towards central part of our country, peninsular India, they became very less in moisture, and there the low rainfall happen in the rain shadow area. So this is the reason. Understood? Next question, why does the eastern part of Central African continent gets less rainfall than western part despite its location close to equator? So again the same condition is applied there due to orographic windward and leeward. Children, these two words is very important, windward and leeward, because of the windward situation and leeward situation. So windward situation and leeward situation, which is given in your page number 45. So right side, the it is given for the orographic rainfall, the leeward side of mountain gets lesser rainfall and the windward side of the mountain gets more rainfall. So this is the condition which can be applicable to this question number 3 of figure 5.7. Why does the eastern part of Central African continent get less rainfall than the western part? Because of this condition. So eastern part of the Central Africa is hilly, and hence it does not get convectional rainfall despite being located along equator. Understood? Central part of Indian Peninsula receive less rainfall because it is far from the both coastline. So I already told you that because central part of our country is far away from oceanic region or Arabian Sea or Bay of Bengal, so they receive less rainfall because when these moisture laden air, they enter towards the central part, they are empty, there is no moisture, there is no water vapor. Understood? So it comes under rain shadow area. The same condition is applied in Central African continent also. Understood? So this is a region that some parts of the world, they doesn't receive any type of rainfall, so due to this condition. Understood?